Hello, listeners. Thank you for being here and welcome to another episode of Sangeeta N's show. Today, we are delving into a topic that is as crucial as it is transformative, mastering efficient data collection as the unbeatable USP to propel mid career magic. So, let us dive in, shall we? Have you ever found yourself at crossroads in your career, feeling the weight of stagnation, yearning to soar higher but uncertain about the path forward? Imagine this scenario. You are a mid career professional, brimming with skills, but somehow overlooked when promotions come knocking. Picture this, you are tirelessly dedicating yourself to your role, pouring in effort day in and day out, only to watch others leapfrog ahead. Your ambitions and capabilities are brimming, yet recognition seems elusive. It's frustrating, isn't it? I have been there myself, that feeling of being stuck while the world moves on. It's like being on pause while everyone else hits fast forward. What if I told you that there is a secret weapon, a key that unlocks the door to rapid career growth, particularly for mid career professionals, seeking timely promotion as a tool that sets you apart, making your skills and contributions not just visible but indispensable? Consider this tool as a beacon of hope amidst the sea of professional stagnation. It's that one skill that can amplify your worth and value in the eyes of decision makers. It is the difference between blending in and standing out, between being an asset and becoming indispensable. Allow me to share a story that vividly illustrates the significance of streamlined Excel data forms. A colleague of mine facing a similar career plateau decided to take charge. They delve into mastering Excel's structured data forms, seemingly mundane to some, but oh, the impact. Suddenly, their ability to organize, analyze, and present data soared. They became the go-to person for crucial insights, making their work indispensable to the team and management. Within months, they clinched a promotion that had eluded them for years. Can you envision yourself wielding this powerful tool, transforming how you approach data collection and analysis, becoming the linchpin for your career growth? Imagine the thrill of mastering a skill that not only showcases your efficiency but also becomes your professional superpower. It is like stepping into a room and having all eyes turned to you, recognizing the value you bring to the table. The sense of accomplishments, the validation of your hard work. It is invigorating and empowering. Are you ready to seize this opportunity to start a new trajectory for your career, breaking free from the confines of stagnation and propelling yourself towards the success you truly deserve? The decision to step out of the comfort zone, to embrace change and growth might feel daunting, but trust me when I say that the reward at the end of this journey is immeasurable. It is about taking that first step towards a future where your potential is recognized, valued, and celebrated. So, my dear listeners, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey to unlock the door to your career progression, to equip yourself with the skill that distinguishes you in the realm of mid career professionals? The opportunity is ripe, the path is laid out before you. It is time to take action, to invest in yourself, and to claim that success that is rightfully yours. Remember, greatness isn't achieved by standing still, it is attained by embracing change and seizing opportunities. I would reiterate the fact that you can get associated with me depending upon what you want to become, because the sensibility to design data collection format is the most important part and the most sensible way, but just the beginning of the text analytics journey. So 10 steps to propel mid-career professionals towards promotion. Step 1. Data quest. Identify specific key performance indicators crucial for promotion in your field. Think of these as your golden breadcrumbs to success. Step number 2, KPI treasure map. Create a detailed plan on how to collect relevant data, ensuring it aligns with your career aspiration. Chart the course towards that coveted promotion. Step number 3, data driving. Dive headfirst into data courses, gather information like a pro, and separate the diamonds from the rubble. Think Sherlock Holmes meets Excel wizardry. Step 4, quantitative finance. Apply mathematical magic and statistical prowess to transform raw data into meaningful, jaw-dropping insights. Impress your superiors with your analytical financing. Trust me, it is not that difficult to use the Excel formulas to achieve something very significant. Not very complex data set is required at all. Step 5, polish and present. Buff those insights into a dazzling presentation or report. Make it shine brighter than a diamond in a job well done. So far, my clients, 99% of them, when I ask, do you prepare report? They say no. And do you know those who say yes, they do what? They just prepare WhatsApp reports, 2-3 lines of data crunching and that's it. They think that it is a report. Numbers, when somebody is asking something and you are giving only that, is not a report. It is just information. Report is context setting, right? Please do understand about this. So step 6 will be storytelling mastery. Craft a narrative around your quantified achievements. Your data should weave a tale of your triumphs, making it impossible for anyone to ignore your brilliance. Step number 7, strategic showcase. Strategically share your findings with decision makers. Timing is key, and you want to drop this career growth bombshell when the spotlight is yours. Step number 8, promotion pitch. Utilize your quantified achievements as the backbone of your pitch for that well-deserved promotion. Confidence is your best accessory. Step number 9, feedback loop. Embrace feedback like a sponge. Use it to fine-tune your approach and data collection methods for future trials. Step number 10, celebrate and iterate. Whether you land the promotion or not, celebrate your hard work and success in data collection. Use this experience to iterate and continue your journey towards unstoppable career growth. Remember, data is not just numbers, it is the golden ticket to your professional dreams. So go forth, collect, quantify, and conquer. Step into your professional transformation journey. As I say, you will have a choice of opting out 3 starting points to join me in the career journey. Starting point number 1, unveil your magic. Opt to be a thought magician, develop a personalized USP, craft strategic career roadmaps, and optimize your visibility and performance. Starting point number 2, embrace creativity, opt to be an USP artist, hone your skills, master leadership, and perfect your LinkedIn networking and personal branding strategies. Starting number 3, champion sustainability, opt to be an eco champion, dive into data mastery, visualize insights, and imbue your USP with ESG principles. Begin your journey now and unlock your true potential, professional potential. Do you have any questions out here? Do please note them down in the comment section. Who you would become? A data master who collects, organizes, and analyzes data efficiently. Insightful analyst who does the analysis and chunks out valuable insights. Strategic innovator delivers data to propose and implement innovative solutions to business challenges. Efficiency champion, they save time and resources for their team and organization. Decision influencer, they become the decision maker representing compelling data driven arguments. So, my dear listeners, I urge to take the next step forward and propel your career growth and watch your career grow. Thank you for tuning in and wait for the next episode of Sangeeta and Sudarsan.